Garden office costs vary across the market, influenced by the size of the building, the quality of materials, and the specifics of the installation service. Over the last 15 years, we've highlighted the benefits of garden offices and recently updated our guide to garden office prices for 2024. Our criteria included VAT, the foundation system, and the installation of the building. You should also budget for delivery costs and the final electrical connection between the new office and your house. We found that the smallest garden offices, around 2 metres by 2 metres, range from £9,250 to £20,500, with an average cost of £13,523. A 2.5 metre by 2.5 metre office, which is about the size of a small bedroom, is a popular choice. Prices for this size range from £8,995 to £31,154, with an average of £17,997. A 3 metre by 3 metre office provides a comfortable space for a desk, storage, and easy chair. Prices range from £9,995 to £33,833, with an average of £21,368. A 4 metre by 3 metre office is large enough for 2 desks. Prices for this size range from £13,020 to £38,800, with an average cost of £24,605. 5 metres by 3 metres is popular for those wanting to use their garden office for multiple purposes. Prices range from £15,016 to £55,000, with an average cost of £26,928. Increasing the depth of the building is a great way to gain extra space. A 5 metre by 4 metre garden office ranges in price from £18,344 to £52,776, with an average cost of £31,695. A 6 metre by 4 metre office creates a comfortable home office with space for other uses too. Prices range from £21,007 to £63,000, with an average cost of £35,970. For garden offices larger than 30 square metres, prices increase due to the need to comply with building regulations, which impacts the materials used.